Fellow content creators, welcome back to CLIFFTIPS, the go-to place for all things YouTube success. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of video optimization: keyword research. If you want your videos to reach the right audience and soar to the top of search results, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our content. Let's jump right in. First things first, why are keywords so important? Well, they act as the bridge between your content and your audience. Choosing the right keywords can significantly boost your video's discoverability and, ultimately, your channel's growth. There are three main types of keywords to consider: broad, specific, and long tail. An example of a broad keyword is fitness tips. This keyword is broad and encompasses a wide range of topics related to fitness. While it has a high search volume, it may also face high competition. An example of a specific keyword is interval training for beginners. This keyword is more specific and targets a particular aspect of fitness interval training, but with a focus on beginners. It narrows down the audience and competition, making it more targeted. An example of a long-tail keyword is high-intensity interval training for beginners at home. This long-tail keyword is highly specific, providing details about the type of workout, high-intensity interval training, and the location, at home. Long-tail keywords often attract a more engaged audience with a clear intent. Choosing the right mix of these keywords will depend on your content and audience. Balancing broad, specific, and long-tail keywords allows you to reach a wide audience while still addressing the needs of those looking for highly specific information. Let's kick things off with the YouTube search bar. It's a goldmine for discovering popular keywords in your niche. Start typing relevant phrases and see what auto-suggestions pop up. These are actual search queries that people are using. Take notes and consider incorporating them into your video titles and descriptions. To take your keyword game to the next level, leverage dedicated tools like Google's Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. These tools provide valuable data on search volume, competition, and related keywords. Use this information to refine your keyword strategy. Don't be afraid to spy on your competitors, in a friendly way. Check out the keywords they're targeting and see if there are opportunities for you to create similar content but with your unique spin. This can give you a competitive edge. Once you've gathered a list of potential keywords, organize them based on relevance and search volume. Create a spreadsheet to keep track of your keyword research, making it easier to reference for future videos. And there you have it, the essential steps to master keyword research for your YouTube videos. Remember, it's not just about finding keywords but strategically incorporating them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Give your videos the visibility they deserve and watch your channel grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Until next time, keep creating amazing content.